Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you how to record through your phone, which is like super easy. And here are the steps to get the recorder. So as you can see, I use the DU recorder. So we're going to go to the Play Store. I have Google. I think they also have it on an iPhone. So you're just going to type DU recorder right here. And the one that I have is, let's see, there's so many, but the one that I have would be, that's not the one that I have, sorry. I think I have this one down here, screen recorder and recorder X recorder. So there's so many recorders that, there's here, but anyone you can choose one. If you want to buy it, then you can go to buy it. You just click installed and it's going to install. I don't know which one is mine because there's a lot, but you guys can pick any one you want. So after it's downloaded and everything, you're going to go here and you're going to click, and this is what it looks like. And it has for images, you can go live, you can actually play games in your phone and record them, which is pretty cool. These are the settings. You can actually edit your settings, your videos here, but I don't like doing that. And this is this video settings, video resolution 720, the audio, the record, the video, everything here, the shake phone. You can do the shake phone if you want, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oh, shake your device testily. So we have to shake it. Oh, okay. Okay, I shaked it. So, this first, you don't shake your phone too much. You can get notifications, screen, everything here. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty fun. You can play videos here and, you know, record them and upload them on your channel, or upload them here or whatever. But I don't do that. So to stop it, you see this little sign right here when I'm moving it. That is where you click it and you press pause, stop, or that's it. But if you don't want it in the way, you can always put it up there so it's out the way. So that's how you record your through your phone when you want to show like a tutorial or whatever. You can just, you know, I just record and record games. So if you guys like this, you know, test it out. Go ahead and download it and test it out if you like it or not. You know, I really like it when I want to show like tutorials on my phone. So this is a good place to do it. I love it. So if you guys enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I know you guys can do it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. Also, I have another channel, my vlog channel, so subscribe to that channel, subscribe to this one. Now that we hit 200 subscribers, we're gonna go to 300 subscribers. Okay, so push that subscribe button and also push that notification bell so you guys won't miss none of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Once again, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And have a great day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.